Today we are going outside. That's right, we are leaving our creature comforts behind and we are venturing into the great outdoors. From one end of Manila, crossing the Pasig River all the way to the coast to visit the Mall of Asia and attend our first development conference. There's lots of things to do. There's going to be workshops, there's going to be business opportunities, which is way too soon for me. I'm just making a little indie game, but I thought I'd get in on the action and see what it's all about right here in the Philippines for the very first time. So hit like, hit subscribe. Let's go.
Just made it. It's right there. Let's go check it out. Made it.
Our first ever Game Dev Expo. Let's go. I'm going to look for my favorite game. I think that's cheating.
Alright, first look. Loads and loads. It's way bigger than I thought. Creepy guy over there. Lots of booths. Very organized. Everyone has the same kind of booth. Lots of games. See if we can have my game here next year. One can dream.
We hope na na-enjoy nyo yung mga different booths that we have in store for you. Pero kayo natin, kung anong oras na, medyo dito tayo immerse na. Dito tayo.
There was also a healthy showing of hardware manufacturers, from TVs to tablets, some very nice OLEDs that I can never afford. Check this guy out. And plenty of merch, t-shirts, little creatures. Just outside the main hall was also a little market, very similar to what you'd find at a Comic-Con here.
Sensory overload.
I did manage to attend one of the workshops, which talked a little bit about burnout and game development. There was a separate area for business meetings.
Game Developer Expo event, and I have a water bottle.
Just checking out some more of the games. There's a lot of students here who are showing their student projects. There's also some very professional looking games. There's lots of iPhone games, there's lots of PC games. My wife kept asking for Mac versions. I think we're on the wrong event for that. But there is plenty of connections to be made on HIO, Instagram especially. Not a lot of people on YouTube. But you know, gotta stand out somehow.
All in all, a very good showing for a very first expo to visit here in the Philippines. It was very well rounded. There was lots of multimedia events. There more than enough games to fill a whole day if you really sit down with everyone and have a little chat. We got to talk to a couple of people, and we did make an attempt to beat them at their own game. Once. My wife always breaks my game on the first go, so it was real fun seeing her do that to someone else for a change. Jump scare coming in. 3, 2, 1. Don't say I didn't warn you. If there was one thing I can take away from visiting this event, seeing so many games and so many people having put in up to even 8 years, as one guy did, it really put a lot of things in perspective about how I'm working on my own game and how far along I am after 1 year of working on a game and learning Unreal. There's a lot that I took away from this and on how to present my game, getting ready for that first demo. So I just want to say thank you all for going out there and setting up your booths. We had a great time, and I hope to see you again next year, hopefully, showcasing my own game. Why wait? Here's a sneak peek of my top-down adventure game, inspired heavily by the likes of the old Legend of Zelda games. Top-down pixel art. Explore dungeons, solve the puzzles, and see if you can lend a hand to a young elf named Erifu and help him get home. If you want to find out more, please subscribe, hit like, leave a comment,